Tennessee Valley Weather Center. This is your evening weather update.
It's been an active Thursday afternoon, not just to the south with severe thunderstorms, but with scattered thunderstorms firing up near the I-40 corridor earlier this afternoon, and a few severe thunderstorms moving into southern middle Tennessee and northwest Alabama this afternoon. This will settle down as we head through the evening, but rain chances not really going too much of anywhere as we head through the next several days. I think after 8 or 9 o'clock, everything is mostly settled down across the area, dropping out of the 70s into the 60s overnight. Morning lows right around the mid 60s or so, with partly cloudy skies to start our Friday. And then maybe a few showers near the Mississippi-Alabama state line, but most of us likely to miss the thunderstorms for our Friday. Evening thunderstorms settling down quickly, and then partly cloudy to mostly clear through midnight. Maybe a few more clouds toward morning here and there. Morning lows in the mid-60s for most of us. Then as we head to the midday for Friday, warming well up into the 80s. Few folks may hit lower 90s as early as midday, and I think most of us in the upper 80s and lower 90s for daytime highs. Notice thunderstorms developing over North Mississippi by the early afternoon, diving southeast. A few of these may clip parts of North Alabama, west of US 43 and south of the Tennessee River, so the rain chance there not zero. And maybe a stray shower elsewhere. So rain chance not completely zero, even though you're going to see I've taken it off to 7-day for Friday. But most of the activity missing our area off to the southwest as we head through the afternoon and evening. But rain chances won't be too far away. A few more showers and thunderstorms possible Saturday and Saturday night. And then I think we have some thunderstorm complexes moving in here Sunday and Sunday night. And some of those storms could be severe with damaging straight line winds, and elevated rain and thunderstorm chances continue into at least Monday, if not beyond that, next week. Storm Prediction Center still has all of the area outlined in what's the equivalent this far out of a level 2 out of 5 risk of severe weather. This gets updated again overnight, and when they do the update overnight, they will put it into the system that ranks at level 1 through level 5. Right now, it's the equivalent already of a level 2. I wouldn't be surprised if this is upgraded as we get closer, not for a tornado threat, for the potential for maybe a cluster of thunderstorms with damaging straight line winds. So there may be severe thunderstorm warnings across the area as we head through Sunday. Too early for exact timing since we're still a few days out. Also, there may be more than one round of strong to severe thunderstorms, so timing really tricky this far out. But make sure you pay attention to the weather as we head into Sunday, and elevated rain chances still around early next week. We are watching the tropics, nothing imminent across the area, but we have a tropical wave about to come off the west coast of Africa, heading out into the eastern Atlantic, and environmental conditions may become adequate enough that this develops into a tropical depression as it heads off the coast and heads out into the open Atlantic. Over the next 7 days, National Hurricane Center currently gives us a 20% chance of developing into a tropical depression or tropical storm. No imminent threats to land or the United States, but we'll watch carefully in the days ahead. By the end of the 7-day period, still well out into the Atlantic east of the Windward and Leeward Islands. We'll watch it carefully for you as we head into our Friday. Partly sunny skies, highs in the upper 80s and lower 90s over southern middle Tennessee. Northwest Alabama, most of the same, partly to mostly cloudy, upper 80s, lower 90s, and maybe a few isolated thunderstorms out west of Cherokee, out toward the Red Bay area, and up into northern Mississippi. 1 or 2 of those could be strong, but the better chance of strong thunderstorms for Friday, back over North Mississippi, East Arkansas, and Southwest Tennessee. And then area-wide, I think we do bring the rain and storm chances back for Saturday, Saturday night. Still isolated to scattered rain and thunderstorms likely Sunday into Sunday night. Again, there could be more than one round of thunderstorm complexes with damaging straight line winds and severe weather. Elevated storm chances continuing through Monday, and then more of the hit and miss variety of scattered thunderstorms as we head through a large part of the middle of next week. There's the look at your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock with another update to your local weather.